I am a human rights lawyer, and what I have a background in is working with international criminal tribunals to monitor the institution and to report on how well they do their job. And a big part of what international criminal tribunals do is try to describe periods of mass atrocity where widespread human rights violations have taken place, and to provide remedies for those violations. So a big part of that, of course, is addressing the trauma that comes with human rights violations. And I think it's been apparent to me in observing those institutions that they're not as well equipped to address mental trauma as they are to address the sort of more tangible consequences of mass atrocity. So the killing or the destruction of property, the displacement of people, but of course the impact of mass atrocity goes really far beyond that. And so what excites me about the work of the Trauma and Mental Health Lab is it's bringing this body of knowledge that exists in an entirely different discipline than law, and trying to make it available, accessible, and understandable so that lawyers and judges can meaningfully incorporate that knowledge, that science, that sort of body of literature into the decisions, into the remedies that they provide in the legal setting, whether that's a criminal tribunal, sort of where my background is, or one of the other sort of legal settings that the lab works with like refugee resettlement, or with prisons, and with the case of solitary confinement. Sort of, it's all about understanding the mental consequences and bringing that information into legal settings so that we can provide better remedies that are founded in scientific knowledge.